Hey guys, it's your girl and I'm back, and as usual I'm looking crazy. I was not expecting to do this video today, but I'm going to be showing you how I blow dry my hair, and I'm going to be using the Revlon one-step hair dryer. I got it in this color. I've seen a few reviews on this, but I never thought to use it, but I just hate the process of blow drying my hair, so if this can make it easier, then that's a good thing. And it makes it even better because I'm going to be putting my hair in braids for Halloween, so I could apply my wig. Okay, so there's 4 settings, and I don't know if you can see, but it's literally, it says off, cool, low, and high. I'm not even gonna play myself using the low. I'm gonna crank this bad boy all the way to high. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I did a few passes, and this is what my hair is looking like. Now, my hair was pretty damp, and usually I have it stretched out for about an hour, so this isn't that bad. I am kind of scared to get these roots. So after a few passes, I noticed it was getting pretty heated, and I don't know if you guys saw the smoke, and you could definitely smell it as well, so I think it's, you know, the rubber. But so far, not so bad. I am going to try and see if I could get my roots. I'm going to spray a little bit more, just so I can see if I can get my roots, because when I blow dry my hair with a regular blow dryer, I get my roots. Not bad at all. Not bad. So I'm just going to continue throughout my hair. Yes, your girl needs a trim. So I'm going to continue throughout my hair and tell you what I think. So this isn't bad at all. Now, usually when I blow dry my hair, I have my hair in like 4 braids, and I let my towel or t-shirt soak out the water. And I didn't do that for too long, but I know had I done that, it would have been so much faster. But it's not bad at all. My fingers are going through it. In order to get your roots, I don't know if you saw me like making it vertical, just so I can really get my roots, because when it's horizontal, you're not really getting much, and the air only comes out towards the top. So it's also a learning curve that you have to perfect, and this is my first time using it, so I have not perfected it yet. But so far, not bad at all. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair and come back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back and everything is done. This is how my hair is looking. It's not the sleekest, but it definitely got the job done, and it's more than what I expected coming from a Revlon brush. So just to show you, this is my comb and it is passing through. What I will say about this brush, don't forget your roots because it will forget you. There is a learning curve, and like I said, this is my first time using it, so I still had to get used to it. What I noticed is that when you're using a powder brush, we're so used to doing it like this, but we're forgetting that, well, I forgot that I had to get my roots as well. And when I checked, I was like, oh no, it was very kinky underneath. So what I did is I took it, and remember I mentioned the heat is coming from up here, so I just did like this, away from my scalp as easy as possible, and I just glided it through. So that's how I got to my roots, and like I said, it's not too bad. You can still see some texture. So yes, I'm pleased with this brush. I won't be returning it. You guys know if I don't like something, I'm returning it because I'm about my coin. And if I don't like it, I'm not gonna let it, you know, collect dust. So this is definitely staying in the arsenal. There is another one, and it is actually like the round brush, and I heard that one has really good reviews and it gets to the roots, but I think I'm gonna stick with this one right here. I don't really have any cons other than the fact that when you're using it, you really have to move your hand back and forth because this gets really hot, and that's not a bad thing, especially if you're looking for, you know, something to dry your hair. We want a hair dryer that's gonna get our kinks and coils, but right here it gets so hot, so just make sure that you keep that in mind and you like move your hand back and forth. Other than that, it's a really good brush. I didn't really snag my hair. I think I snagged my hair like once or twice, and that's because I was going fast. Speaking of, that is another thing. When you have thicker hair, you want to make sure that you are really letting it sit there for a minute and you're going nice and slow. And I think that's what the instructions say as well. So you want to make sure that you're taking your time and you're not rushing the process. So I will say you want to make sure that you use a good protectant. I'm kind of nervous about heat damage. I'm not too nervous because I did layer my hair with this right here. This is the Chi Iron Guard and the Chi Silk Infusion. Both of these are heat protectants. I didn't really get the silky factor, but again, I was using a brush, so I'm not too, you know, about that. So yeah, that's about it. Yes, I know I'm in need of a trim very badly. My hair is is color treated, but most of it has already grown out, so I'm still trying to think about what I'm gonna do to it. But yeah, so that's that. As you guys know, I am prepping my hair for braids, and this is what I would do if I was using a hair dryer as well. I would clarify my hair, condition, detangle, deep condition, and start the blowout process. Like I said, I put my hair in 4 braids and I let the water get soaked out, just so that I'm not working with wet hair. This time I didn't really do that. I did have my hair in a cotton t-shirt for about, I want to say 20-25 minutes. Usually I'll do that like overnight or close to an hour. So just keep that in mind. If that's something that you do, make sure you do that for this process as well. Because if my hair was already stretched, I think I would have gotten sleeker and it would have been faster to actually blow dry my hair. The process was very fast. I didn't time it, but it definitely was half the time when I'm using a regular hair dryer. So that was also another plus of this product. And this is, like I said, what I do when I'm prepping my hair. So as usual, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have this blow dryer, this brush dryer, whatever you want to call it. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification just to make sure that you are staying in tune whenever I post another video. Bye, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.